Smart Lock Operation video. Press the 888 well key. Enter the reversing settings, then press 1. Unlock direction again. Select the unlocking direction according to your own door. Press the asterisk and pound keys to enter the system. Enter initial password 123,456 hash. 1. Administrator settings. 2. User settings. 3. System settings. 4. Restore factory settings. According to 1. Administrator settings. 1. Add administrator. 2. Delete administrator. 3. Networking settings. Press 1. Add administrator. 1. Add a password card. 2. Add a face. 3. Add Palmer vein. Add a fingerprint card according to 1. Enter the password. Simply enter the same password twice. Enter fingerprints until the voice prompt is successfully entered. Enter card. Place the card in the middle, recognition area of the panel. Press the star key to return. Press 2 again to enter the face. Take corresponding actions based on voice prompts. Please face the camera directly. Please turn slightly to the right. Please turn left slightly. Please look down slightly. Please look up slightly. Press 3. Enter the Palmer vein. Open your palm and aim it at the camera. Press the asterisk key twice to return to the initial page. Press 3. System settings again. 1. Voice settings. 2. Unlock settings. 3. Language selection. 4. Time settings. Press 1. Voice settings. 1. Open voice. 2. Turn off voice commands. Set according to personal needs. Press the star key to return. Press 2 again to unlock settings. 1. Verification mode. 2. Lock back time. 3. Delayed locking. 4. Sensory settings. According to 4. Sensory settings, the face panel needs to be set to open. Otherwise, the smart lock will not detect anyone approaching. Press the star key to return. Press again 3. Language selection. 1. Chinese. 2. English. 3. Portuguese. 4. Spanish. 5. Argentine. 6. Thai. 7. Russian language. Choose according to personal needs. According to 4. Time settings. Enter the current time and press the pound key to complete the input. Press the star key to return. Press 4 again to restore factory settings. Enter administrator information to restore. Intelligent Lock Networking video. According to 1. Administrator settings. Then press 3. Network settings again. 1. Hotspot connection. 2. Intelligent connection. Press 2. Smart connection. The smart lock enters the networked state. Open the mobile app store. Search for Tuya app download and click to open. Then click on the plus sign in the upper right corner. Add device. The software will automatically search for smart locks. Click on the smart lock found in the search. Then enter your own network name and password. Click Next and wait for the software to connect successfully. Someone rings the doorbell outside the door, and the software will receive an unlock request. Click Agree to unlock remotely. Left swipe the phone screen and click on the Remote Dynamic Password. Can obtain temporary password.